Sean Khalifa, man.
Ride or die, remember?
Kiss my face. You can kiss my face. Kiss my motherfucking bass. Say it loud. Make your speakers proud. And if you get blown away by the sound, don't worry. It's just a shock wave, letting you know where you need to go. And if you forget where you are, let me tell you, you're close to an overdose. You know what? You can kiss my bass. Sound system ain't dangerous enough. Trust me, you're close to an overdose. Come close to the overdose. Kiss my bass.
Sean Khalifa, man.
Ride or die, remember?
Money's the motivation, money's the conversation. You on vacation, we getting paid, so we on vacation. I did it for the fam. It's whatever we had to do, it's just who I am. Yeah, it's the life I chose. Gunshots in the dark, one eye closed. And we got it cooking like a one-eye stove. You can catch me kissing my girl with both eyes closed. Perfecting my passion, thanks for asking. Couldn't slow down, so we had to crash it. You use plastic, we bout cash. I see some people ahead that we gon' pass, yeah. I never fear death or dying. I only fear never trying. I am whatever
the line with. If you're looking for me, you can find wit in the new car or the crown with. My new broad does a fine chick in the weather squad. I'm down with. Ain't no way around it. What you say? Tell me what you say. Working hard, repping for my dogs. Do this every day. Stuck to the plan. Always said.